Aloha. I have a question for my subscribers. Would you like me to do a DIY series on how I repair my 2020 Corvette rear bumper cover? The same process can be applied to small damaged areas on any other car. I will be using many different bodywork and painting techniques that I've learned over the last 45 years of doing it. If I do it, it will be in short segments that cover every aspect. If you would like me to do this series, I don't want to waste my time if no one is going to watch them, so I need your help. Please hit the like button, and if I get 100 likes, I will do the series. I will also create a step-by-step tutorial in a text format that you can request a copy of at my email address, markcrooks, all one word, 2 at AOL.outlook.com. Let me say that again. MARKCROOKS numeral 2 at Outlook.com. These are some of the tools I'm going to be using. Of course, the first step is preparation. You're going to need to use dish detergent to clean the area where you're going to do your work. Secondly, you're going to need to use either Kleanz-Easy from NAPA or a rubbing alcohol solution. Now, I have wet, dry sandpaper that goes from 400 to 2,000. I bought this oscillating tool, multi-purpose, from Home Depot for $100, and it came with a battery and a charger, which is unusual for $100. I have a sanding attachment on it. I'm currently waiting for my Amazon order of sandpaper. I'm also going to be using my Dremel tool. As you can see, there are 3 holes on the left-hand side that have to be body worked, and a 4th area that I need to work on. I'm going to be using several different painting techniques. I'm going to be using tape called a hard line, using the stripe as a hard break point. I'm going to use the quarter panel and the hatch as a hard line. On the angles of the body, I'm going to use what's called a soft tape line, where the tape is folded in half, because I'm only going to paint and blend the top section. So I'm going to start by, after cleaning it, taking 1,000 grit and sanding about 6 inches around the area of the damage that I'm going to repair. Anyway, if you want me to do the series, you know what to do. Aloha and stay safe.